Okay, we will answer this one. What set of numbers make up the range of the linear function y equals x plus 2 if the domain is 0, 1, 2, and 4? Okay, so kopyahin muna natin itong ating linear function. Y equals x plus 2. Then, yung first domain natin is 0. So, y equals 0 plus 2. So, y equals 2. Okay, sa choices natin, 2. So, wala itong 0. So, x na yung letter A. Yung second domain, 1. Y equals 1 plus 2. So, y equals 3. So, 2, 3. So, 2, 3, 2, 3. So, wala na itong 4. Letter D. Third domain is 2. So, y equals 2 plus 2. Y equals 4. So, therefore, 2, 3, 4. So, letter C is correct. Okay? Walang 4 yung letter B. So, continue natin yung last na domain. Y equals 4 plus 2. Y equals 6. So, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, letter C is the correct answer.